In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not launching on PC and laptop. Open the Start menu, then select the Power button and choose to Restart. Restarting your PC is the easiest way to close applications and processes running in the background, which may stop Roblox from opening. Once your PC has restarted, try opening Roblox. If Roblox still isn't launching, then right-click on the Start menu and select Installed Apps. It may be called Apps and Features. Select the search box, then type in Roblox. Go down to Roblox and click the three dots on the side. Choose to uninstall and select Uninstall again to confirm. Wait for Roblox to uninstall. Right-click on the Start menu again, then select Run. Type %, local app data % into the provided box. Then press Enter and a File Explorer window will open. Locate the Roblox folder and select it. Then right-click and choose to delete. On Windows 11, you will need to select the bin icon to delete the folder. Open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Make sure you go to the official website. Sign in if you aren't already, then select a game. Any game should work. Click the play button once the page has loaded and a new window will open. Select the Download Roblox button and wait for the installer file to download. Open the Download Manager, then click the Show in Folder or Open File Location button. Double-click on the Roblox installer file to open it. Then follow the process to complete the installation. Try playing Roblox. If it still won't open, then open the Start menu. Search for Xbox, then open the Xbox app. Sign in if you aren't already, then select the search box. Type in Roblox and press Enter. Select Roblox, then click the Get or Get for Free button. Mine says Install because I already have it. Click the Install button. Choose where you want to install Roblox to, then select Next. Select if you want to create a desktop shortcut, then click Install. Wait for Roblox to install, then click Play. This is the Xbox or Microsoft version of Roblox which might work. You can uninstall this version of Roblox if it doesn't work. If Roblox still won't open, then close any overclocking programs that you have open, including MSI AfterBurner and Rivatuner. Go down to the taskbar and open the Hidden Icons menu. Then check if MSI AfterBurner or Rivatuner are open. If either is open, then right-click on the application and select Quit or Close. Another reason Roblox might not be launching is because your internet security or antivirus is preventing it from opening. You will need to add Roblox as a trusted or excluded application. Just be sure not to add anything other than the official Roblox application. The Roblox not launching issue will now be fixed. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.